Hi, my name is Ross Cairns from Blue Avionics, and we design and manufacture adaptable avionics. What does that mean? What can adaptable avionics do for you? We got a little video here that kind of goes through what we're doing today. Okay, so that kind of covers some of the things that we do with our boxes. Our units, that's the same unit being used in every single one of those applications, and we can configure them to do those kind of things. We have our new box that's gone through DER approval on both 178B and DO-160. And it does A-Rank to CSDB and RS-232. It'll connect to any single one of the Collins buses. As you can see, there's a list of the different buses that it will connect to. We just certified also our A-Rank 575 to 429 conversion with our -2 540. And that's been certified on a Saab 340, and very soon it's in the TIA process on the MD-87. That will work with any A-Rank 575 older technology air data systems, so that you don't have to change the RVSM on the airplane. We have Mach speed warning computers that we do with the same 540 on both the the Lear 35 and the 747 SP. We're interfacing with the Honeywell flight director, which is not easy to do, on a Boeing MD-87. And we look forward to doing other things with that as well on the air transport side, as well as the business jet side. Lastly, I'd like to say that we'd like to have you guys stop by our booth. We have a training session in the Chino room from 1 to 3. We'd like to have you stop by. We'll talk about specifics on how we might be able to adapt avionics for you. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you out there.
Aero-News Network's coverage of the 62nd Annual AEA International Convention and Trade Show, live from Palm Springs, California, is brought to you in part by the following sponsors.